Hello friends, you are welcome in this lesson. Today we are going to learn the most important grammar topic, capitalization. First of all, we will see what is capitalization. Capitalization means using a capital letter. For example, capital A instead of small a. The use of capital letter help readers read their writing without confusion. Capitalization is important in writing to show readers the importance of specific words and to indicate the change in meanings. First of all, we will study where capital letters are used. Always capitalize the following. Now, we are going to learn some rules. First rule, the first letter of a word in a sentence. For example, I grew up in India. In this sentence, I is the first word, so it is written in capital. Second sentence, she left a message on my phone. In this sentence, C is the first word and yes is the first letter of this word. That's why yes should be written in capital. Second rule, the pronoun I is always written in capital, no matter where it comes in a sentence. For example, I don't know about you, but I will help you. Let's see here. I is the first word, so it is capital. And in second sentence, I will help you. Here I comes in the middle. That's why I is also written in capital. Second sentence, Raju and I are going to market. Here also Raju and I are going to market. Here I is written in capital. Third rule, the first letter of a proper noun should be written in capital. For example, Divya wants to play chess with us. Here Divya is a proper noun, that's why D is capital. This letter is from Chirag. Here Chirag is also proper noun, that's why C is capital. Next sentence, I graduated from the Pune University. If Pune is a proper noun, that's why P is written in a capital. Next sentence, I like Coca-Cola. Here Coca-Cola is the name of a drink. That's why these letters are used capital. She likes Dairy Milk chocolates. Here Dairy Milk is the name of chocolate. That's why D is written in capital. Fourth rule, the first letter of months, days and holidays are always written in capital. For example, today is 8th of May 2020. Here May is the name of month, that's why M should be written in capital. Next sentence, Sunil's birthday is this Thursday. Thursday is the name of day, that's why T is written in capital. Next sentence, the shops are closed on Sunday. Here Sunday is the name of day, that's why yes should be capital. Next sentence, Diwali comes in October. Here Diwali is the name of festival, that's why D should be capital, and October is the name of month, that's why O should be capital. We do not use capital while writing the names of seasons like winter, summer, spring, etc. For example, this summer is going to be very hot. Here summer is not written in capital. Fifth rule, the first letter of nationalities, religions, races of people and languages should be capital. For example, we often eat Indian food. Here Indian is a nationality. That's why I should be written in capital. I want to master many languages such as English, Hindi, Chinese and Russian. Here these are the names of languages. That's why first letter of these words are written in capital. There is a Christian church in my city. Here Christian is a religion. That's why first letter of C, Christian C is written capital. Sixth rule, the first letter in a person's title. This is Dr. Rane. Here doctor is a title. That's why D is written in capital. I got letter from Mr. Patil. Here Mr. is also title. That's why M is written in capital. Seventh rule, the first letter of each major word in the title of a book, movie, article, etc. For example, Tolstoy's War and Peace is my favorite novel. Here, War and Peace, the first letter of Or and first letter of P are capital. Next example, I found the article How to Write a Good Cover Letter in this newspaper. This is the article. That's why these letters are written in capital. Next example, Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. It's the name of books. That's why Romeo and Juliet, the first letters are capital. Next example, last week I watched the film Tanaji with my friends. Here Tanaji is a book of movie. That's why first letter of this word should be written in capital. Eighth rule, first letter of a word in a quotation mark. For example, he said to me, my friend lives in Malegaon. Here, he said to me. First, this is the first word my and first letter is yam. As per the rule, first letter should be in capital. Next rule, the first letters of cities, villages, states, countries, mountains, oceans, rivers, etc. are written in capital. For example, I live in India. Here first letter is I. That's why it is written in capital. Hawaii is the middle of Pacific Ocean. Here it's the name of ocean. That's why P and O are written in capital. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Nile is the name of river. That's why first letter of Nile is N and that should be in capital. The Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the name of mountain. That's why first letter should be written in capital. Now we will see activity. Write each sentence using proper capitalization correctly. First sentence, I was born in Nagpur but grew up in Latur. In this sentence, I is the first word. That's why I should be capital here. Then in the case of Nagpur, Nagpur is a city. That's why first letter of Nagpur, N, should be capital. And in Latur, Latur is name also the city. That's why L should be capital. Second sentence, Mrs. Mary gave me the Bible. Here Mrs. is a title. That's why first letter should be capital. Mary is also proper noun. That's why M should be capital. And Bible is the name of religious book. So B should be capital. Students, read all the sentences and solve the sentences of your own. With the help of rules, as we discussed before, you solve all the activities or all the sentences using proper capitalization. Students, you might have understood this lesson. Watch this video again and again and solve the activity. Thank you.